Okay, sorry that I couldn't be there with you guys. I would have liked to have been, but we've got a sick kiddo at home, so this is the next best thing. Today, you're going to make an amagmograph. I'm honestly not sure if I'm saying that right, and I can't find the pronunciation, so we're going to call it an amagmograph and go from there. You're probably wondering, what is an amagmograph? Well, it's art that uses optical illusions to change when you look at it from different angles. You can see a couple of examples here, the sun on the left. And then if you look at it from the other side, it says summer and has some nice summery pieces there. The ones on the right, you've got bats and a moon on one side and a jack-o'-lantern on the other. So you might still be a little confused about this. So let me show you what this actually looks like here. So here's one turning from a sun to a moon, depending on what angle you look at. So you're going to get to make these today. What I want you to do is I want you to make sure you're taking your time and coloring nicely. Okay, don't rush through these. Don't color super fast. Slow down. Color really nicely. See if you can make sure there's no extra white showing. Use contrasting colors. So the art term for this is complementary colors. Those are across the color wheel. For example, blue is across the color wheel from orange. That means those two colors look really nice together. So color one picture if you have a blue sky, maybe the other one has like an orange background. Or if you're going to be coloring some Valentine's Day pictures, as you are, maybe if you have a red heart, try something green on the other side to have that complementary color that's contrasting and makes it stand out. Once you've done all of your coloring, then you're going to cut your strips of paper or pictures out. Then you're going to fold your template on the lines and glue strips to those matching numbers. And you're going to refold it, try it out, see if you can see both pictures. So you might be a little confused what I'm talking about. Let me show you. So here's one you're going to get today. This is your Valentine's Day amagmograph. On the left, you see the heart, and you're going to color in that whole heart and the whole background too. Take your time, make it look nice. Remember, no scribbling. Slow down, hide all those white parts, except for maybe like the highlights of the eye. Those can be white. Then you're going to color this side over here that says love. Try and find a contrasting color. If you can put like a green background, if you're coloring this heart red, remember that's across from the color wheel. It's going to pop and really look nice. And color in love and make sure you don't have any white showing on that page. Then, once that's all colored, you're going to cut along these lines right here, along this line, each of these, and be careful that you don't lose any pieces because you'll have another paper that looks like this. Notice those numbers at the bottom? Those connect with the numbers over here. So you'll notice the heart starts with a number 1, but then, whoa, we jump to a number 3. Where's the 2? It's over here. It's the first part of that L from love. So be careful when you're doing your template. It's a pattern. Heart, love, heart, love, heart, love. So pay attention to those numbers on the bottom. Make sure you're gluing them to the right spots. Once you've done that, or before you've done that, you can fold on these lines. So we're cutting the pictures, we're folding the template. That way, when this is all done, your template will be a amagmograph, and you can see both of these pictures depending on which side you're at. Okay? Here's another one that you might get to do later in this week. We'll see. This is a day and night amagmograph. And on the left, you've got the daytime picture. On the right, you have the nighttime. And you'd want contrasting or complementary colors on this also. So if you're coloring these hills greens and the sky blue, then let's jump back over to our color wheel. What's opposite of green? Well, reds and blues or oranges. And then we've got kind of some red violets over here. Those are nearer to blue, but you're thinking about if the daytime is like blue and yellow and green, then maybe the nighttime has like some yellow moon. Maybe you've got some purple or some red from like a sunset showing up. Or you have those violets and those darker colors, so it really pops and stands out. Same thing here. These don't have numbers, so you have to be extra careful. First the day, then the night, then the day, then the night, then the day, then the night on your template here. Okay, you see that pattern 1, 2, 1, 2. So this is picture number 1, picture number 2. Take your time, do a nice job. I'm eager to see these when I'm able to come back, and I know that you guys will do an awesome job.